Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how you can adjust the audio settings in the center screen of your Tesla vehicle. So whichever music option that you have selected in your media player over here, we can see that we have these little switching options right there. If we open that up, it's going to open up our audio settings and we have sub, bass, mid, treble. You can adjust those how you like. You can also adjust the immersive sound or have that set as auto. And essentially with the immersive sound, it's going to enhance audio by adding depth and spatial effects, creating a richer listening experience, so you can adjust that how you see fit. Additionally, in our audio settings, we can go over to balance. And let's say, for instance, you have a number of people in your vehicle and maybe only the driver is interested in the music that's being played. So you can adjust the balance so it's more so coming out of the speakers in their part of the car by adjusting that. And if you ever want to go back to it being balanced throughout the whole vehicle, you can just tap that center area. And you can adjust the balance of how it's playing through the speakers in any particular part of the vehicle. An additional setting that I recommend taking a look at is your sources. If there's different music apps that you aren't using at all, I would recommend toggling them off. For me, the primary one that I'm using is YouTube Music, so I have that one toggled on, but then all the other ones I have toggled off. And the nice thing about this is when I open up my apps menu, it gets rid of all of those other music apps that I'm not using. It declutters this area, and I just think it looks a lot better. And again, you can toggle off those different music app options in this area if you would like to do that. And again, to reiterate, any particular music that you're listening to, let's say I'm listening to something through my YouTube Music app, I can select a song, and then that's going to show up over in my media area. To get those audio settings to show up, you just tap on these little switch options here, and it'll open up your audio settings. And let's say, for instance, you don't have the map opened large, and instead you have it like this. Again, it's the same thing. You're just going to have your media player right here, and those audio switch options are going to be right here. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope this updated video was helpful. I made a similar video about this a couple of years ago, but Tesla's changed where the audio settings are now located, so I thought I would do a quick update about it.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video and the content on my channel. Please consider checking out Joa's premium Tesla products and accessories through the link in the description. Use my exclusive discount code THANKS at checkout to save. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Tesla content in the future.